Hello, in this short meeting, we are discuss about the grammar. With me, Enang Setawati, the lecturer of English profession. The first, we are discuss about the simple present. The simple present says that something was true in the past, is true in the present, and will be true in the future. It used for the general statement of the facts. Example. Number 1, water consists of hydrogen and oxygen, and 2, most animals kill only for food, and number 3, the word is around. The simple present is used to express habitual or everyday activity. Number 1. I study for 2 hours every night. My classes begin at 9. We always eat a sandwich for lunch. Formula: subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES. Affirmative form. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or ES. Negative form. Subjects do not, does not, verb 1. And interrogative form do or does plus subject plus verb 1. And then example number 1. For the affirmative form, she goes to school every morning. And the negative, she does not go every morning. And interrogative form, does she go to school every morning? And then number 2, subject they. For the affirmative form, they study English every week. Negative, they do not study English every week. And interrogative, do they study English every week? For the subject Annie, the affirmative forms, Annie drinks a glass of orange juice every morning, and the negative form, Annie does not drink a glass of orange juice every morning, and then affirmative form, interrogative forms, does Annie drink a glass of orange juice every morning? Notice, in the informative sentence, a third person singular subject, she, he, and it, added by S or es and a verb. Number 1, commonly the basic verb infinitive added by s. Example: bring, brings, cook, cooks, make, and makes. For word that ends ch, sh, ss, and x added by es. Example: attacks, attaches, discuss, discusses, wish, wishes, and makes, exist. And third, for a word that ends e added by s. Example: operate, operates, imagine, imagines, evaluate, evaluates. Fourth, for a word that ends y prefixed by consonant y changed by a and added by es. Example: accompany, accompanies, apply, applies, hurry, hurries, apply, amplify, amplifies. And then fifth, for word that ends y prefixed by vocal added by s. Example: stay, stays, pray, praise, obey, obeys, and praise, praise. Number 2, we are discussing about the simple past. At one particular time in the past that happened, it began and ended in the past. Example: it snowed yesterday. I was at television last night. I bought a new car 3 days ago. The formula: subject plus verb 2 plus object. Affirmative form: subject plus verb 2 plus object. Example: I worked in the bank for 4 years. Negative form: subject plus did not plus verb 1. Example: I did not work in the bank for 4 years. And then interrogative forms: did, subject plus verb 1. Did I work in the bank for 4 years? And then number 3, we are discussing the simple future at one particular time in the future. This will happen. Example: he will finish his work tomorrow. He's going to finish his work tomorrow. Formula: subject plus will or is going to plus verb 1 plus object. Affirmative form: subject plus will or is going to plus verb 1. So example: you will visit your grandmother tomorrow. Negative form: subject plus will not plus verb 1. Example: you will not visit your grandmother tomorrow. Interrogative form: will plus subject plus verb 1. And then example: will you visit your grandmother tomorrow? And then number 4, simple progressive. The progressive tenses give the idea that an action is in progress at the present time and probably will continue. Okay, the formula: subject plus to be is MR plus verb ing and object. Affirmative form: subject plus to be is MR plus verb ing and plus object. Example: they are playing football now. The negative form: subject plus to be is MR plus not plus verb ing and object. They are not playing football now. The interrogative form: to be is MR plus subject plus verb ing and plus object. Example: are they playing football now? Okay, I think it's enough about the lesson today, and thank you for the watching, and see you the next time. Okay, bye bye.